going to say you about English chapter unit 1 family, a reading the tattered blanket. This is from a class 8 SCRT note textbook. The lesson name is the tattered blanket. What is meaning of tattered? Tattered means torn. Toned blanket. The toned blanket. Now we will see the lesson. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car. What? A man arrived unexpectedly at his home. He came to his home unexpectedly. Means he did not say to anybody that I am coming. He did not say like that for anybody. He came unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car. He came in his office car and got down at the gate. He got down at the gate. He is coming in the car and he got down at the gate. His mother, who was lying in the armchair on the veranda. Here, his mother. She is the man's mother. This man's mother is she, and his mother who was lying in an armchair on the veranda. What is meaning of armchair? This is the armchair which have two side handles like this. Here for keeping hands comfortable. Now, in the veranda. What is meaning of veranda? At the out of the home. Made a futile attempt to get up. What is meaning of futile? Useless attempt to get up. Means useless attempt. She want to get up but she has some body pains because she is an old woman. We know that. Now, Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Amma said, Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. Who is Kamala? We'll see now. Somebody is in a car. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow. Kamala is Amma's eldest daughter, means big daughter. A widow means anybody's husband died, means that woman is called as widow. Who was sitting huddled up on the tinna on the veranda. What is meaning of huddled up? Held arms and legs closed because of. Held arms and legs closed because of fear or cold. Means if anytime we are feeling cold, we will shiver. That is called huddled up. Huddled up on the tinna on the veranda. Tinna means elevated place on the veranda, sitting outside. Here, this outside of the home, there is a black color. See this one. This is called a tinna. On the veranda. Veranda means outside. Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel. Her head and ears are covered with a thin bath towel. Means here white color towel is there. No? That is called bath towel. She covered his. What she covered? A head and ears. She covered head and ears with a thin bath towel. Got up reluctantly. What is meaning of reluctantly? She was not willing to get up. She was not interested to do that work. Get up reluctantly. She was not willing to get up. She was not interested to get up. Walked slowly to the gate and screwing up her eyes peered into the darkness. What is meaning of screwing? Means narrowing up her eyes to see more carefully. Peered into the darkness means she is seeing into the darkness. She is seeing into the darkness. Screwing up her eyes means narrowing her eyes to see more carefully. Now next page. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Bald, fat, middle-aged man means bald means On head, at some part hair will not be. That is called bald. Fat. He's so fat. Middle-aged man. Middle-aged man means 30 years, 32, 40, like that. Middle-aged man. Walking in through the gate. He's coming from the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. She said greeting voice means a wondered voice. Means she wondered. Oh, Gopi means she wondered. Wondering voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? He did not say for anybody that I am coming. That I am coming. He did not say like that anything. Why sudden unexpected visit? Suddenly he came. He came suddenly, unexpectedly. They did not thought Gopi will come. Gopi will come. They did not thought like that. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked like that. Kamala, who is it? In the gate, man came, no? Gopi came, no? Who is it? Mother don't know who is he. Mother asked Kamala, who is he? Who is it? Gopi, the man said, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped on my way back. He said, Gopi said, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. There is a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped on my way back. When he was coming, he came here. When he was attending the meeting, he came to his home. Who? Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Who? Amma is saying, who? Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in the Amma's voice. Means she's talking loudly. Like she's scaring. She's scaring. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala is saying, Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister. Kamala is Gopi's eldest sister. The man came now in the last page. That man's eldest sister is Kamala. Asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Asked her a little awkwardly means some irritating. As if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. You are seeing for the Gopi first time, huh? He is your son. Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. Gopi saying, it's me, Amma, I am Gopi. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. What is it? He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheek. Means old women have some foldings, no? Foldings. That we will call wrinkled. We'll call that wrinkled. To her wrinkled cheeks. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Wrinkled cheeks means some skin will be folded now for old women. That is called wrinkled. Wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me, Gopi. It's me, Gopi. It's me. He said, Amma, it's me, Gopi. Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? What am I saying? Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for a vacation? His school is closed for a vacation means he got any vacation holidays like some like that. Amma is often like these days. Means Amma is doing like this. We will see more. She doesn't recognize anybody. She is not remembering anybody. Often like Amma is often like these days. Means she is like this only. She is not recognizing anybody. She was not remembering. Gopi's sister explained. Gopi's sister said that Amma is often like these days. She is not remembering at all anybody. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Means sometimes she's memory is coming back and quite sharp. It is very sharp. Sometimes his memory is very sharp, but at sometimes she's not remembering anybody at all. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. When her memory is sharp, she will ask Kamala, is Gopi sent any letter to me? She will ask like that. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and kids. She will say when her mother asked any letter came from Gopi, Kamala will say that everything is fine with you. Means Gopi, Vimala and their kids. Vimala is Gopi's wife. Gopi and Vimala and their kids are good. They are good. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Gopi did not write any letter for a year. He did not write any letter for a year. Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. Means Gopi is saying, I was not thinking to make my mother unhappy. He is telling, I am not thinking to make my mother unhappy. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. Means last year he got a promotion and he is always in my toes. Means he is always in his work. He is busy in his work. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Means there are no tours. He is not going to tours also. Means quite often means very less tours. I don't get any time to write letters. He has no time to write letters. Why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or doesn't she get any time to? Means Kamala is saying, you can say Vimala to write letters, no? Otherwise, Vimala also no time. Vimala, or doesn't she get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. What are you mumbling over there? Mumbling means talking unclearly and quietly. Amma said loudly that what are you mumbling there? What are you mumbling over there? Mumbling means quietly, saying quietly and unclearly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Amma is asking again. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Again Amma is asking. His memory is not good at all. I told you it's Gopi. Kamala said again, I told you it's Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Again Amma is asking, Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Is he came? Gopi is in Delhi. Yes Amma, it's me. I come from Delhi. Gopi is saying now, yes Amma, it's me. I came from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said. Again Amma is saying, who did Gopi marry? Suddenly, lowering her voice. Means Amma said in low voice, quietly. Quietly she said, who did Gopi marry? I mean, what's his wife's name? What she said, what Amma is saying, I mean, what's his wife's name? She did not remember his wife's name. Son wife's name. Don't say you forgotten her name too. Now Kamala is saying, don't say you forgotten her name too. Don't you remember Vimala, district collector, Nambiar's eldest daughter. Nambiar's eldest daughter, Vimala. She is a district collector. Nambiar's eldest daughter means big daughter. Gopi's sister said, means Kamala said. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Again Amma is asking, was there letter from Gopi today? She is asking. There was, he writes every day. He writes every day. Now, here, was there a letter from Gopi today? There was, he writes every day. Now, Kamala is saying he writes every day. Now, next we will see. Now, Amma is saying, I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. I am terribly upset means I am upset. My mind will be not good if I did not got a letter from Gopi every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day. Now Kamala is saying Gopi knows it and that's why he is writing letter every day. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Now what Gopi's sister is saying, Kamala is saying, look at the way she talks. How Amma is talking? Now Gopi is behind she and she is talking about the letter. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you? Now she is saying, you don't know anything what is happening here. Do you know? She is saying. Who is that? Amma said again. Who is that in a car? Again Amma is saying, who is that in a car? Who is that in a car? Who is that? Amma is said again. It's me, Gopi said. Gopi said again, it's me. I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. What is saying? I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. He should come to Thiruvananthapuram for attending a meeting. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. He thought that he should drop in at his home to see you, Amma. To see Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. Now what Amma is saying? Who is your Amma? Gopi's Amma is saying, who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? It is far from here. She forgotten all. She's memory is not good, so she is saying like this. Who is your Amma? No, it is quite near. What she said? Is it far from here? Gopi said, no, it is quite near. No, it's quite near. I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperatedly. Now here, I don't know how I can bring back her memory. I am not understanding how can I bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said, Kamala said, exasperatedly means very annoyed. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. Tinna means out of the home, outside of the home, this black color is there, no? That is called tinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents, clothes, files, a shaving set. Now what he did? He opened that briefcase, he kept on the tinna and who opened that and pulled out the he kept out all things, contents, clothes, files. He came for meeting, no? Files, a shaving set, clothes, files and contents. This all he kept outside from the briefcase. Now here, do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked Gopi that, do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked Gopi only, do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked a man, he is only Gopi, but Amma asked, his memory is not good, so she asked that man, do you know my son Gopi? Now we'll see. He is in Delhi, a government officer. Now Gopi is saying he is in Delhi. Now Gopi is saying that he is in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kesari Yogam. What is meaning of Kesari Yogam? Well settled. He was well settled. Means well settled. He was well settled. No? He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Now, in our generation, 2,500 rupees is very cheap. That is very cheap. But in that generation, that is a very big amount of salary. Means in our generation, that value is 60,000. That means when now in this this is a company. In that company, now we are getting 60,000. At that time, 2,500 rupees is very big amount. Do you know him? No. Amma is saying again, do you know him? Yes, I know him. Again, the Gopi is saying, yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. Now Amma is saying, tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. Now what she is saying, there is a cold mist, means fog-like structure, mist. In the mornings there is very cold mist in the mornings. If I catch cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. Means if I got cold, it doesn't leave me for a long time. Means it will not go for a long time. She will illness, cold. It will not leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket. Won't you? Now Amma is saying, tell him to send me a blanket. Won't you? A red one. I had a blanket. Now Amma is saying, a red one. Tell him to send me a red color blanket. I had a blanket, the one he bought for me when he was studying in Madras. Now the man is saying, I had a blanket, the one he bought for me when he was studying in Madras. When they are studying in Madras, he bought it to him. He's saying that he bought to him when he is studying in Madras. Gopi bought to him. The man is saying that Gopi is bought to him when he is studying in Madras. It is all tattered now. Tattered means torn. It is all torn now. That blanket is torn. That became old blanket. Just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? Yes, now Amma is saying again. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? Again Amma is saying. I'll tell him. He nodded. Nodded means he shaked his face. Means he shaked his face. Nodded means okay, I'll tell. Okay. Please don't forget to tell him. The mist is not good for me. Please don't forget him to tell. The mist is not good for me. I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. Here, I think I'll stretch myself out for a bit. Means she has a torn blanket now. That Gopi bought when he's studying in Madras. That became tattered blanket. No, that blanket. In that blanket, she can't stretch her total legs because it torn. She is that is torn, so she can't sit comfortably in that blanket. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. She is always sitting in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. Now she is telling, I have a pain in the neck. She has a pain in the neck. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and come back to the veranda. Gopi's sister put her Amma to the bed and come back to the veranda. You didn't come to see Amma, did you? Now Kamala is asking Gopi, you didn't come to see Amma. When you came, you didn't come. Did you? Delhi is too expensive. Means Delhi is too far. From Madras means Chennai. It is very far from Chennai. That is, Delhi is in the north and Chennai is in the south. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I can't make both ends meet with my salary. Now what he is saying, you know, I have 4 children. He has 4 children to look after him. Now he is saying he has 4 children. And he can't meet, means he can't meet both with his salary. His salary is 2,500. With that salary, he can't come to Delhi and he can't come to Chennai. It is so far, no? It will take some money. And one has to keep up one's status. And I have to look after my status, means he should see after his office. Otherwise, his job will go. He should look after his office, means all total. It will be great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. Now again he is saying it will be great help. Now they are living in a house, no? He is saying that it will be great help if selling my share of my family property. I can raise some money. He can get some money by selling my share of the family property. His share of the family property means that house. I came to talk it over with you. Means I'll talk that afterwards with you. Now go. You'll sell your land and go away with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that. Now Kamala is saying, you'll sell your land and go away with the money. I know you will not come here. You will not come here anymore. Not come here anytime. You will not come here. You will say again. You are saying you will send the property and you will go away with the money. No, don't say that. I'll come when I get time. Now Gopi is saying, don't say that I'll come when I get time. Your time. Now Kamala is saying your time. He saw the irritation on his sister's face. Irritation means very annoyance, irritation in his sister's face. It took you more than 5 years to get time to come here. After 5 years he came back to see her Amma, his Amma. Amma is 83 now. Now Amma is 83 years now. I don't think she will pull on much longer. I don't think she will live much longer. It took you so long to visit her after the last time. Now she is saying it took so long time to visit her after the last time. He visited last time, no? After that, it took more than 5 years it took. After 5 years he came again. That also because of office meeting. Otherwise he will not come at all. But Amma can't remember who I am. He said, smiling feebly. Means Amma can't remember who I am. Amma is not remembering him, no? That he is saying. He said, smiling feebly. But do you remember your Amma? Now Kamala is saying, you remembered Amma? You did not remember Amma. Amma is old, so she did not have memory. She did not remember. But she remembered. His memory is lost, but she remembered his school days. She is remembering him daily. But she don't know that he became big. His memory lost. He became big and he has a work. He married. That all she forgotten. But she remembered every time. Gopi. But he did not remember his mother. After 5 years he came. He did not write any letter also for his mother. And guys, this is the story of Tattered Blanketer from A Reading Class 8 Unit 1 Family. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you understand this video, if you understand this lesson, like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll upload many interesting study videos like this in my channel. And please subscribe, guys, and like this video. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.